Hi, we are doing logarithm. Given log m to the base 3 is equal to x and log n to the base 3 is equal to y, we have to express, first we'll focus on the first one, express 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3 in terms of m. Fine. Now we have to use exponent law. Let's use the exponent law. Give what we know, that a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is a raised to the power m minus n. When two numbers with the same base are divided, their powers get subtracted. So here what is given? The powers are given in subtracted form. So this has to be 3 raised to the power 2x by 3 raised to the power 3, this way. Fine. So this is 3 raised to the power 2x by 3 raised to the power 3. The bases are same, the powers get subtracted. Fine, we can write this as this. Now we know that log m to the base 3 is x. So we will use the rule changing the log form to exponent form. What does that states? That states that if log b to the base a is equal to y, then a raised to the power y is b. This is the exponent form of the log. A is the base. So here the base remains same. What get interchanged? The log gets interchanged with the answer. So it becomes a raised to the power y is equal to b. So this will be 3 raised to the power x is equal to m, we got. Fine. Now we know, we found out 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3 as 3 raised to the power 2x by 3 raised to the power 3. Now this can be written as 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2. We can write it like this. And 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. And 3 raised to the power x we derived here is m. So this will become m square by 27. Fine. Now we will do the second one. Second one was write 3 raised to the power 1 minus 2y in the power plus 3x in terms of m and n. Same way we will use exponent rule, use exponent law, rule, whatever you want to call. So this will become 3 raised to the power 1 minus 2y plus 3x. Now what is the rule? It is 3, suppose a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is a raised to the power m minus n. When the bases are same, what happens? We write the base 1 and we subtract the powers. Now if the bases are same and the numbers are multiplied, what we do? We write the base 1 and we add the powers. So 3 raised to the power 1 minus 2y plus 3x, everything is in power. This is actually 3 raised to the power 1. It's minus, so 3 raised to the power 2y. It's plus, so into 3 raised to the power 3x. Fine. So this is how we can write this. Now what was given? What 3 the log of let's see, log of what was given? Log of m to the base 3 is x. Log of m to the base 3 is x. And log of n to the base 3 is y. Right? Now putting this in exponential form. How do we write it in exponential form? Now if this is the case, what happens? B raised to the b is the base remains the same and the log is interchanged with the answer. That means b raised to the y becomes a. Fine. So same way this will turn out to be 3 raised to the power x is m and here 3 raised to the power y will become n. Fine. Now the exponential form which we wrote it, 3 raised to the power 3 2y into 3 raised to the power 3x we have to find. So 3 to 3 रहेगा. This can be 3 raised to the power y into 2 the square, and this can be written as 3 raised to the power x to the power 3. We can split the powers like this. So 3 raised to the power y to the power 2, 3 raised to the power y is n. We found out this becomes n square. 3 raised to the power 6 x is m, so m cube. So this become m cube into 3 by n square. Fine. Now the third one. What is the third one? 2 log a to the base 3 is 5x minus 3y. Okay, fine. Now x was given as log m to the base 3 and y was log n to the base 3. So let's write it. Let's substitute the value of x and y. This become 5 into log m to the base 3, and this become 3 log n to the base 3. Now we will use law of log, that is n log a is equal to log a raised to the power n. So this will become log a to the power 2 to the base 3, and this will become log m to the base 5, and the power is 5 over here. This 5 goes as a power, and this become log n to the power 3, and the base is 3. Here the base is also 3. Everywhere the base is 3. Now we will use the law. Which law we will use? That is log a minus log b is log a by b. So this will be used in the form, this is in the form of log a minus log b. So this is log a square to the base 3 is log a by b, that is m raised to the power 5 by n raised to the power 3 to the base 3. Now here log has the same base, they can be cancelled. So a square is m raised to the power 5 by n cube. Now what we have to do, we have to write a in terms of m and n. So a square means we have to remove the square, so we will square root the other side. Fine. Square root of other side means what? If you are squaring some, if you are square rooting some number, that means the power becomes half. So this is m raised to the power 5 into half, ये square root का half, and n raised to the power 3 into half. Fine. So this will become m, 5 into half is 5 ones are 5 and 2 down, and 3 ones are 3 and 2 down. So a is m raised to the power 5 by 2 and n divided by n raised to the power 3 by 2. So this is how we will follow the rule of exponents and logs to solve our